Hi, I'm Tony Patterson. I'm the Chief Executive of Clean Planet. Well, Clean Planet uses sensitive choice approved products, and therefore our services are also sensitive choice approved. And what we do is we create better outcomes, better air quality, and minimise any risk for triggers for people who have asthma or allergies. We've been a partner of Sensitive Choice since 2011, and we're very proud of that. Over that time, we've expanded the range of products that has been approved, so obviously it means a great deal to us. We run market research and it shows that the Blue Butterfly is always highly regarded. People recognise it and are very pleased that we can offer services that are Sensitive Choice approved. Partnering with Sensitive Choice is so important for us because Clean Planet's not just about sustainability, we're about creating healthy outcomes.
For more information on Clean Planet, go to cleanplanet.co.nz, and for more asthma and allergy information, check out sensitivechoice.co.nz.